Today I am reviewing the Roborock Qrevo S5V robot vacuum and mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of the daily battle against dust, pet hair, and muddy footprints, you have probably looked into robot vacuums. But let's be honest, many older models require so much maintenance that you end up wondering if you're working for the robot, instead of the robot working for you. Enter the Roborock Qrevo S5V robot vacuum and mop. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. It is a fully automated cleaning powerhouse designed to handle the dirty work from start to finish. With an astonishing 12,000 Pascal suction power, an innovative FlexiArm mopping system, and a truly hands-free smart dock, this device aims to redefine home maintenance. Let's break down exactly what makes the Qrevo S5V a game-changer for modern households. First, let's talk about pure cleaning muscle. Most standard robot vacuums offer suction power somewhere between 4,000 and 8,000 pascals. The Roborock Qrevo S5V completely blows those numbers out of the water with a staggering 12,000 pascal HyperForce suction power. Powered by an advanced brushless motor and optimized airflow channels, this vacuum doesn't just sweep up surface dust. It pulls embedded dirt, deeply lodged pet hair, and heavy crumbs right out of thick rugs and deep carpet fibers. If you have hardwood floors with deep cracks or tile floors with recessed grout lines, the Qrevo S5V cleans them out effortlessly. It brings a level of deep cleaning that used to be exclusive to heavy, corded upright vacuums. If you have long hair or own pets, you know the ultimate enemy of the robot vacuum, the dreaded hair wrap. Sitting on the floor with a pair of scissors, hacking tangled fur off a roller brush, is a miserable chore. Roborock solves this beautifully with their SGS-Certified Zero-Tangle system. The Qrevo S5V features a rubberized, floating main brush that actively resists hair wrapping while adapting perfectly to the uneven contours of your floors. But the real star of the show is the arc-shaped side brush. It boasts a certified 0% hair tangling rate. It sweeps dirt out of corners and feeds it directly into the suction zone without letting a single strand wrap around the mechanism. For pet parents, this feature alone makes the vacuum worth its weight in gold. Moving on to the mopping capabilities, this is where the Qrevo S5V truly shines. Traditional robot vacuums just drag a damp cloth across your floors, leaving a gap of several inches along baseboards and around furniture legs. Roborock addresses this flaw with their innovative FlexiArm design. When the robot detects a wall, a corner, or a chair leg, one of its dual spinning mop pads physically extends outward. This allows the mop to hug the very edge of your baseboards, leaving absolutely no zone uncleaned. Furthermore, these dual mops spin at 200 RPM and apply consistent downward pressure, mimicking the scrubbing action of manual hand mopping. Whether it is dried milk, muddy paw prints, or sticky kitchen spills, the Qrevo S5V scrubs them away instead of just wiping over them. A common worry with combo robot vacuums is the fear of getting expensive rugs wet. The Qrevo S5V handles this seamlessly with its 10mm auto mop lifting mechanism. The moment the robot's advanced sensors detect that it has transitioned from hard flooring onto a rug or carpet, it instantly lifts its damp spinning pads 10mm into the air. This gives it plenty of clearance to vacuum low-pile carpets and rugs thoroughly, without leaving a trace of moisture behind. Once it steps back onto tile or hardwood, the mops drop back down, and the scrubbing resumes instantly. A robot vacuum is only as good as its navigation. Nobody wants a machine that gets trapped under a dining chair, chews up phone chargers, or aggressively bumps into furniture. The Qrevo S5V utilizes precise sense LiDAR navigation to perform a 360-degree scan of your home. It creates highly detailed, accurate maps in a matter of minutes. In fact, it can store up to 4 separate floor plans, making it an incredible choice for multi-story homes. It automatically recognizes which floor it is on and adjusts its strategy accordingly. To complement this, it features reactive obstacle avoidance technology. Using structured light sensors, it can detect and steer clear of everyday clutter like shoes, toys, and tangled cables in real time. If it encounters a particularly tight or treacherous area, like a maze of stool legs, the app will intelligently suggest a no-go zone, to prevent the robot from ever getting stuck. What truly elevates the Qrevo S5V into the realm of luxury convenience is its all-in-one smart dock. This base station handles almost every bit of maintenance for you. For starters, it features self-emptying capabilities. When the robot finishes vacuuming, the dock sucks the debris into a sealed dust bag that holds up to 10 weeks of waste. That means you only have to think about changing the bag a handful of times a year. Next, it handles auto-refilling. The dock automatically refills the robot's onboard water tank, giving it enough range to mop massive spaces up to 3,552 square feet on a single run. Finally, it manages mop washing and drying. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the dock automatically washes the spinning mop pads with fresh water to remove dirt and grime. It then dries them thoroughly using warm air. This eliminates the risk of damp odors, mold, or bacteria building up over time. Everything is tied together by the intuitive Roborock app. Please note that the device exclusively supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, which ensures a stable, long-range connection throughout large homes. Through the app, customization is limitless. You can set specific schedules, target individual rooms for a quick clean, or customize the moisture levels with an incredible 30 levels of water flow adjustment to protect delicate wood floors. If you prefer a hands-off approach, you can simply activate Smart Plan. This feature allows the robot to analyze your room types and floor materials to automatically select the absolute best suction power and mopping intensity for each specific area. In summary, the Roborock Qrevo S5V represents a massive leap forward in automated home cleaning. By combining an ultra-powerful 12,000 Pascal motor, a tangle-free brush system, extending mops, and a self-washing, self-drying dock, it removes nearly all human effort from the equation. If you want to reclaim your free time and step into a home that feels professionally cleaned every single day, the Qrevo S5V is an investment that will pay off every single time it leaves the dock.